Are you looking for the best budget Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best budget Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. New L106-1 PRO GPS Drone. The new L106-1 PRO GPS Drone 8K high-definition dual-camera 360-degree obstacle avoidance remote control with screen brushless quadcopter brings a sense of wonder and freedom that inspires anyone who dreams of seeing the world from above. Many people try to capture memories with ordinary devices, yet those moments often fail to reflect the true feeling of the scene. This drone transforms every flight into an emotional journey, turning familiar surroundings into extraordinary experiences. As it rises gently into the sky, landscapes begin to appear vivid and full of life. Colors feel richer, every detail becomes noticeable, and the world below tells a story waiting to be discovered. Customers who want their moments to feel special often seek devices that are simple to use yet allow creativity to flow naturally. This drone fulfills that need, offering confidence while helping users create visuals that feel personal and unforgettable. Those who enjoy adventure will feel calm excitement as the drone glides smoothly through the air. Even beginners feel guided, as if the drone itself reveals perspectives that were previously hidden. Each flight becomes a peaceful escape, giving space to notice beauty in places often overlooked and appreciate the environment from a fresh viewpoint. Sharing these captured memories brings joy because each frame conveys real emotion rather than just images. The new L106-1 PRO drone becomes more than a flying device, it becomes a companion that turns ordinary moments into lasting memories, making every flight meaningful and keeping the feeling alive long after it lands. Number 2. AE60 GPS Drone. The AE60 GPS Drone Professional 8K Camera 3-Axis Gimbal Aerial FPV Brush Avoiding Obstacle Remote Control Quadcopter Touchscreen Airdrop Drones brings a feeling that pulls people closer from the very first moment. Many dream of capturing scenes that look meaningful, yet they often rely on ordinary tools that cannot express the real beauty around them. This drone creates a different experience, one that touches emotions through every movement in the sky. When someone sends it upward, it feels like the world expands in front of them. Landscapes appear wider, colors look richer and moments feel more alive. Customers often search for something that makes their memories look precious, and this drone gives that sense of value. It turns simple surroundings into scenes that feel thoughtfully crafted, helping anyone feel more connected to the places they love. People who enjoy keeping their stories vivid will notice how this drone adds depth to every moment. It encourages users to explore without fear, creating a sense of trust while flying. Even those who have never controlled a drone before feel guided, almost like the device understands what the user wants to capture. Sharing these visuals with friends or family brings a special pride, because every frame carries emotion rather than just images. The AE60 drone makes everyday life look extraordinary, giving buyers a reason to hold on to their adventures in a way that feels personal and unforgettable. It becomes more than a flying device, it becomes a way to see life from a new angle and appreciate it with a deeper feeling. Number 3. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone. The Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone creates a feeling that draws people in from the very first flight. Many individuals try to preserve their memories, yet ordinary devices rarely capture the real emotion behind those moments. This drone brings a different experience, one that makes every scene feel deeper and more meaningful. When the drone rises into the sky, the world beneath reveals a beauty that often goes unnoticed. Colors appear softer yet richer, movements feel calm and every angle seems to tell its own story. Customers searching for a tool that gives their memories a sense of value often want something that feels natural and easy. This drone meets those emotions, helping users express their journey without any stress. People who love discovering new places will instantly feel connected to the open air. The steady motion creates a sense of trust, allowing the user to explore confidently even if they have never flown a drone before. Each moment spent in the sky feels like a peaceful escape from everyday routines, giving space for imagination to grow. Sharing these captured visuals with friends or family brings joy because every frame reflects emotion rather than just scenery. The Xiaomi drone becomes more than a flying device, it becomes a companion that helps people appreciate the world from a different perspective. It turns simple surroundings into memories worth keeping, making every flight feel like a moment that stays close to the heart long after the journey ends. Number 4. JCMO L600-1 PRO 4K Camera Drone. The JCMO L600-1 PRO 4K Camera Drone Professional High-Definition Dual-Camera GPS Intelligent Positioning Brushless Motor LCD Remote Quadcopter opens a new world for anyone who dreams of seeing life from above. Many people try to save their memories with ordinary devices, yet those moments often feel incomplete and fail to capture the true feeling. This drone transforms every flight into an emotional journey, making simple views feel extraordinary. When it rises into the sky, familiar surroundings begin to look different, almost magical. Colors appear brighter, details seem clearer, and every scene carries a story waiting to be discovered. Customers who wish to preserve their moments in a meaningful way often look for something that provides both ease and inspiration. This drone delivers that experience, helping users explore with confidence and create visuals that feel personal and alive. Those who love adventure will find themselves drawn to the smooth movement that makes flying calming yet exciting. Even beginners feel guided, as if the device understands what they wish to capture and helps reveal beauty from unique angles. Each moment in the air becomes a special escape, giving space to enjoy life from a fresh perspective. Sharing these captured memories brings joy because each frame carries emotion rather than just visuals. The JCMO drone becomes more than a technology tool, it becomes a companion that encourages people to notice the beauty they often overlook. It turns everyday surroundings into unforgettable experiences, making every flight feel meaningful and lasting in the heart. Number 5. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. The Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone with 4K camera 6km touchscreen remote control professional drone 360-degree obstacle avoidance foldable remote control quadcopter brings a sense of wonder that inspires anyone who dreams of seeing the world from a new perspective. Many people try to save memories with ordinary devices, yet those moments often fail to reflect the true feeling of the experience. This drone transforms every flight into an emotional journey, turning ordinary views into scenes full of meaning. As it rises into the air, familiar landscapes appear fresh and alive. Every color seems richer, every detail becomes noticeable, and the world below feels like a story waiting to be discovered. Customers who want to make their moments feel meaningful often look for devices that provide both ease and inspiration. This drone delivers that experience, helping users capture visuals that feel personal and unforgettable. People who love exploring will enjoy the calm and steady movement that allows them to focus on the surroundings rather than the controls. Even beginners feel guided, as if the drone itself leads them to discover new angles of beauty. Each flight becomes a peaceful escape, offering space to appreciate the environment from a fresh viewpoint. Sharing these captured memories with friends and family brings joy because every frame communicates emotion rather than just imagery. The Teeggi drone becomes more than a device, it becomes a companion that helps people notice the beauty around them. It turns simple moments into lasting memories, making every flight feel like a journey that stays close to the heart long after it lands.